We've all heard the saying, be ready when opportunity knocks. We've heard it from the time we've been children, we've heard it from the time we've been teenagers, and we hear it now as adults. Be prepared, be ready when opportunity knocks. My brothers and my sisters, my kings and my queens, I'm here to let you know, it's knocking. It's knocking loud. And my hope is that we don't be the people that instead of being ready and open that door for when opportunity knocks, we end up complaining about the noise of the knocking. We've hoped for change. We wished for equality, and we prayed for justice. This is that. This moment, this second, this minute, this hour, this day, this week, this month, this year, this life is that. It'll be up to us how we respond to it.